Hi friends, have you noticed that it's getting cold outside? When I wake up in the morning and it's chilly, it makes me think, oh, it's fall. Fall is when the leaves start changing and the weather begins to chill here in Oklahoma. And we see pumpkins. And we also know that there's holidays that come up during this time of the year, and Halloween is coming up next. So I've been wanting to do a science experiment with witch's brew. Hello, dearies. It's the perfect time of year to make witch's brew. Oh, I bet you have all these ingredients in your kitchen, just like I do. White vinegar, a little dish soap, baking soda, food coloring of your choices, and I love neon, a bit of glitter, and something to stir the brew. Today we were using just little cylinder cups, but you can pick anything you want as long as it holds the ingredients. I have my gloves and my glasses to protect myself. Even witches do not like food coloring all over their skin. Start today by putting about a half, yes, a half of a cylinder of white vinegar. I'm making one for me and one for you. Add a few sprinkles of your favorite glitter. Food coloring of your choice. I think I will do pink and blue. Take your dish soap and squirt just a drop in each little cup. And say your special incantation. Iggity, ziggity, zaggity, zoo. Turn this experiment into witch's brew. Sprinkle your baking soda on the top and let's see if it happens. Ooh. Oh, it looks delicioso. Oh. Sometimes it may need a little stir to get active. Don't give up.